In a small town, snow falls softly. It is Christmas time. Big houses shine with bright lights. But one small house is quiet. A little candle glows in its window. Inside the small house lives a family. There is Mia, a young girl. There is Leo, her baby brother, and there is their mother. They do not have much money, but their home is full of love. High in the sky, a tiny star watches the town. The star sees the big, bright houses. Then it sees the small, quiet house. The star sees the love inside. The star thinks, I want to help this family. Mia looks out the window. She sees her neighbor, Mrs. Rose. Mrs. Rose lives alone. Her house is dark and quiet too. Mia feels sad for her. She tells her mother, I want to give Mrs. Rose a Christmas gift. Her mother smiles. That is a wonderful idea, Mia. What can we give? Mia thinks they don't have money for a big gift, but they have flour and sugar. We can make cookies, Mia says. So Mia and her mother bake simple, sweet cookies. The kitchen fills with a warm, delicious smell. Baby Leo laughs and claps his hands. Mia also finds some paper and crayons. She draws a beautiful Christmas card. On the card, she writes, Merry Christmas, Mrs. Rose. From Mia, Mia puts on her warm coat and boots. She takes the cookies and the card. She walks through the soft snow to Mrs. Rose's house. The little star in the sky watches her go. Mia knocks on the door. Knock, knock, knock. The door opens slowly. Mrs. Rose looks surprised. Mia, what are you doing here? Mia holds out her gift. Merry Christmas, Mrs. Rose. We made these for you. Mrs. Rose takes the cookies and the card. Her eyes fill with happy tears. Oh, Mia, this is the best gift I have ever received. Thank you. Mrs. Rose invites Mia inside. Her house is simple, but it feels warm with Mia's visit. They sit and talk. They eat the cookies together. Laughter fills the quiet house. Soon other neighbors see the light and hear the laughter. One neighbor brings a cup of hot chocolate. Another brings a tiny Christmas tree. Someone else brings a paper star to put on top. The street, once quiet, is now filled with warmth and joy. Friends and neighbors share small gifts and happy smiles. Mia's small act of kindness brought everyone together. High above, the little star looks down. It sees the small houses are now the brightest on the street. The star shines its light, brighter than ever, right above the small house where love was shared. The star is happy. It knows that real Christmas magic isn't about big lights or expensive gifts. It's about kindness. It's about sharing. It is about love. And that is the greatest gift of all. Real joy comes from sharing love. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to Little Stories, Big Values YouTube channel for more videos.